Do you want to create stunning photorealistic product shots without booking an expensive photo studio? What if you could do it all in just a few clicks? Meet Pacdora, the all-in-one online design platform that's a secret weapon for designers, marketers, and business owners. It's loved by over 4 million users for a reason. Today we are diving deep into 3 of Pacdora's most powerful tools that will completely revolutionize your workflow. Let's get started. First one is Mockup Generator. Forget spending hours in complex 3D software. Here the process is incredibly simple. Go to the Mockup Generator, and the options are virtually endless. Pacdora has a library of over 5,000 mockups. Now we are going for apparel, and I'm selecting this compression t-shirt mockup. Once you click it, you will be taken into the Mockup Generator workspace. Just click on the upload area to add your design. Now you are in the design workspace. This is where you can place your artwork directly onto the t-shirt mockup. I am going to upload my design here, and now I will adjust the size and position to make sure it fits perfectly within the t-shirt die line. You can also change the color of the different parts of the t-shirt. For example, I'm keeping the back side and the half sleeves black. Next, I'm adding my channel logo on the right sleeve, and on the black I'll place my name and jersey number. And then click to save. Now we are back in the Mockup Generator page. Here you can change the color of different materials used in the t-shirt, and even switch the material type itself. Super flexible. But that's not all, it also has a video option. Just go to the video tab. Under the basic section you'll find a bunch of cool video animation effects. Let's test them out. Pick any animation you like. I'm selecting this one for now. To export your animated mockup, click the export button. From here you can export the mockup, die line, video, or even embed code if you want to use it on your website. Since I want to export the video, I will head to the video tab. Choose the animation, adjust the aspect ratio, then select the format. I'm choosing MV4 180p, and finally just hit the export now. And done. That's how easy it is. Your mockup looks great, but it's floating in a void. This is where the AI background generator comes in. Say goodbye to expensive photographic costs. Simply upload your finished mockup, and the AI will generate your personalized, seamless backgrounds that makes your product look vibrant and realistic. Just go to the AI background, go to the AI section and click to create AI background. Now it's automatically removing the background. No need to do it manually. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, choose how many images you want to generate. Just below that you will see 3 background options: template, custom, and image. I don't want to use template, so I'm going with custom. Here all you have to do is describe your background, and if you are out of ideas, just use the enhance idea feature to refine your prompt. Once you are ready, hit generate, and in just few seconds, boom, there it is. And honestly, this looks stunning. You can easily export by clicking this green export icon. Not just that, you can also do this with pictures you didn't even create with Pacdora. For example, I'll upload a perfume image I already have. It automatically removes the background. Then I'll go to custom, click generate idea and enhance it. After that, just hit generate and done. This looks absolutely amazing. But what if you need more than the standard mockup? Pacdora's 3D modeling software lets you become the director of your own product suite. You don't need any prior 3D experience. Just choose from realistic scenes, adjust product angles, and perfect the lighting to create a lifelike studio shot. Here is how to do it. First, open the 3D modeling software and click Start 3D Modeling Design. You will see a blank workspace. Now go to the model and select the mockup design you created. I'm choosing this one. Next, head over to the scene. You'll find plenty of scene options. I'm selecting this one, and after a few seconds, your scene with the branded mockup will load. You can adjust the size and position of the every elements in the scene. You can also add new elements, change the background, and modify the colors. One of the best features here is lighting. There are many lighting options to choose from, and each one gives a different mood to your shot. Once everything looks perfect, adjust the camera angle and click Super Render. You can also set the aspect ratio, format and quality. Finally click Render and Export, and that's it. And that's how easy it is to create high quality professional product visuals using Pacdora. If you want to try this out, I have added a 50% discount link in the description. Just use the promo code GrabPixels at the checkout. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.